Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today we have the Glossy Box and it looks a little different. Look at this. How about that? We've got like a space zodiac style. I'm not quite sure how we're supposed to hold this box up, but it does have Glossy Box on the end there. So we for sure have a Glossy Box. And it is decorated out in the solar stars and the planets. I guess that's what that is. Or maybe it's the zodiac signs, because I see the Taurus sign on there. That's what I am. I'm a Taurus. Astrology, perhaps. I'm not sure, but we're going to find out when we open up this box. Do you know what Glossy is? Glossy is a skincare and beauty box that comes once a month. It is $21 a month, or you can subscribe for annual contract rate of $18. It is shipped out to you once a month, and it usually has 5 to 6 items. There are deluxe sizes and at least 2 or 3 full-size products normally. Now, of course, we will verify that when we get inside this box. So let's find out what we have. Here's our wrapped up box. Looks like we have a get $10 off your first box, and it's a hand-picked editors delivered right to your door. This must be a new box. Get $10 off your first box. Visit GQ Box. So I guess they're coming out with a new box. And it says it's handpicked by GQ editors, delivered right to your door. So this is something new. Go to G-Box. It's filled with lifestyle upgrades, grooming essentials, and must-have apparel and accessories that our experts can't live without. Delivered 4 times a year and always valued at over $200, and each box is $50. So they're giving us a discount off of this new box. Has anybody heard of this new box? New to me. Well, let's see if we have a product card. With that said, I don't see a product card, and we may not have one. We're going to have to wing it. There's no product card. It got left off. I guess they were too excited about this. So we'll see what we have in here for the Glossy Box. I'm going to dig down in here and just make sure that there's not anything in here, but no product card. This is what the inside of the box looks like, in case you want to know. So we don't have a product card, so I'm not going to be able to tell you a lot of details. I can tell you that we have a makeup eraser, and this looks to be a full size. It says erase all makeup with just water. So isn't that nice? I guess that's what they're all designed to do. Just add a little water and just wipe off your makeup. So if this is full size, this normally runs around $20 to $25. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a bamboo bronzer by Sauté London. So let's find out what this looks like. It's a teeny tiny little bronzer, I'll tell you that. So maybe it is a sample size, or maybe it's their full size. I have no idea. But it's a little pink, and it has Sauté on there. And let's open it up. Oh, isn't that cute? It's got the constellation. That's probably what that box is, the constellation. I couldn't think of the word. But isn't that cute? Can you see all those little stars on there? That's cute. It is like plastic. So, I mean, it's not nothing heavy duty. That would be my thoughts on it. And it is a bronzer. So we got that. The next item we got in here is French Pine Bark Serum. It's a repair. Have you heard of pine bark serum? So maybe it's supposed to be really great for your skin. Look at that packaging. Isn't that nice? That Skin Incorporated is the brand. And I think that's a pretty good brand, actually. I don't know much about them. It is sealed. It's sealed with a little strip there, and I'm going to leave it sealed. But that's really pretty. I wish I could tell y'all more about it. It's a repair. It just talks about what it contains. Talks about its ingredients. It says 3 drops twice a day before applying moisturizer. So maybe this acts as a hyaluronic type acid where it, holds and retains moisture. Or maybe it does something more. We'll have to look into that. I've just never heard of that product. Let me know if you know anything about this product. Our next item that we have in here, some Vor. So this is a styling foam for your hair. Snow, it says, Secrets of Soft Snow. And I'm sure it's foamy. See if I can get like a little bit out of there. It's got a nice scent. It's real foamy like. So it might get sticky in my hand. Okay, let's do our next and last item. Our last item is Give Them Lala Beauty. And this is a drenched, it says. And drenched what? Is it a lippy? I think it is. And that's what that is. It's drenched from Lala Beauty. And it is a lip oil. I don't want to touch it because you may see this in a future giveaway. So I'm not sure. I don't want to spoil it. So, but that's what it is. Give them Lala Beauty. Alright guys, that's all we have in our Constellation style glossy box. Now that I figured out the name to use, we have, as a recap, Vor, our Secrets of the Snow soft styling foam for your hair. We have our Give Them Lala Beauty lip quencher, and it looked to be like an oil. We had our Saate London bamboo bronzer, which was a nice little bronzer with little stars on it. And then we had the Skin Ink. I love the packaging of this. It was really pretty. And it is a pine bark serum. So if you know anything about that, let me know down in the comments. And then our other item that we had was our makeup eraser. And I'll try to find values of these and maybe throw them up there on the screen for you so you'll have an idea how much they are worth. Normally a glossy box is going to be around $70 to $100. Sometimes it can be more. For your $18 or $21, I always feel like it's a great value. Do you feel it's a great value? What's your favorite item in this box? My favorite item is going to be this serum because I'm curious about this and I want to try it out. So I think that is great. And then of course I always like me a lippy. So the Give 'em Lala Beauty Lippy is another favorite of mine. What's yours? Let me know down in the comments. And that's what we have for Glossy for October 2022. And be sure and look in my descriptions for any giveaways and our collaborations that are currently going on. I will also have a 900 coming up soon. Just haven't got to that yet. But it will be coming up, and I thank each and every one of you. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.